Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and install of the Foxpark solar wireless backup camera. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so let's check what's in the box. So first packaging, very simple, just a slide out. Branding in here. So again, this is made by Foxpark. And let's see what's in the box. There you go. So we have a user manual. And then we have the monitor in here, which also acts as the receiver. Basically, this is where you're going to monitor basically the display of the camera. So this one, it is solar, so I think this is the solar panel for this one, and this is the main camera. It's pretty big, very long, approximately 6 inches I assume. And yeah, so this will be installed in the back by the license plate, so this is good. So let's check. This is gonna be helpful for the vehicles that doesn't have a reverse cam and you don't want to do a lot of wiring, and this will definitely help. Let me check what's the accessory that we have here. We have a suction mount basically for the monitor, so I just need to slide this in here, put it into place, and basically you have a monitor. So it has that antenna also, that helps. So we got some Allen key, and we got this USB-C. Oh, this is micro USB. So that goes where? I wonder where this goes. Let me see. This one. This doesn't go anywhere because we plug this in here. So just need to connect this to. In here. So if you see there's an arrow, there's another arrow, just match those. Goes to your cigarette lighter. Okay, so with this one, we need to remove this cover in here. Just pull it out. So it has like a dummy micro USB in there. And then this one, you can charge this initially with the cable provided. Charge it first. And then the solar, you connect the solar basically to supplement that battery whenever you're driving. It will charge it if you're driving under the sunlight. So it has this connection, it has the USB plug in there. So all we have to do is plug this in. There you go. Make sure it clicks in. There you go. There you go. Then you just need to slide the solar. Just need to slide the solar panel. It should be facing outward, and that's where you're gonna use the screw provided and the Allen key. Make sure you secure it on that hole. Okay, so that's how it's gonna look like. Then we just need to secure it on the license plate. Okay, also it mentions on the screen to please fully charge the battery on the camera at first use. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now it's fully charged. So what we're gonna do with this particular one is to plug this in to the micro USB port in here. Okay, so let's simply plug it. Make sure it's all the way in, so that's gonna be weather sealed. Okay, so there you go. Basically that's it. Then we can just tuck this away later. So we're gonna pretend that we don't have a rear camera on this Forerunner. So remove the license plate, basically just bolt it. It's a straightforward install. So in my case here, might have an issue. Okay, so unfortunately, even flipping it out won't work. So what I did is temporarily I just put magnets on it. So yeah, so this is not gonna stay here on this car, so just for the sake of the video and for demo, so I just stick it in there. So that's how it looks like right now. Okay, so now let's see how it works uh, from the inside of the car. All right, so for this one, basically it's up to you where you're gonna put it. It depends what car you're using. Again, this is recommended for those like pulling some trailer, for those that doesn't have any camera, reverse camera, and they don't want to do the wire or whatever. So wireless basically is your solution for this. So on this one, let's turn on the car and let's see how this works. Okay, so let me remove this plastic peel. So temporarily I just put it in here on the top. Okay, so now let's start the car. Okay, so now let's turn on the car. We're not really gonna start it, we're just gonna put it into ignition. Okay, so it says Foxpark, and it says CH1, which is channel 1. Now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go at the back. Okay, so basically we're gonna pair it the first time. So let's go in the back and we're gonna press the button on the camera. Okay, so let's go. All right, so it is paired. We have picture now. So let's see what other features it has or whatever settings we got in here. So as you see here, I'm just opening the garage door, and now there's some buttons here. So it's not touchscreen, so there's buttons in the middle, then up and down. So let's press the middle. So it has the pair button in there, which I did not do. I just did the one in the camera. So it has a MU control, basically mirror or upside down. So that's gonna be helpful. So if you're putting it, depends on where you're mounting it. Okay, so this one, the brightness and the contrast control. So those are your options basically. So, and then what else? So we have the reversing time, which is you have 45 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds. So we're gonna keep that there. We have our guideline, okay, which is you can select on or off. So basically if it's off, it's just like a monitor like this one. So again, this is helpful if you're pulling a trailer, if you want that wireless setup on your car, if you don't have a built-in reverse camera and you don't want to go through all of those wiring, you can have this true wireless setup on your reverse camera. So this is awesome. Again, this is Foxpark. I'll put the link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing it. Again, this is an awesome solution for those who want to have a wireless setup. Again, for those who doesn't have a built-in or from the factory doesn't have a reverse camera, or if you're pulling a trailer, again, this is an awesome solution. Okay, so again, I hope you find this video helpful. Please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.